Unraveling the colors of joy, understanding Happy Holi. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a vibrant and colorful phrase that's more than just a greeting, Happy Holi. Whether you've heard it before or it's your first time, by the end of this video, you'll understand not just the words, but the rich cultural tapestry they bring to life. Holi is a festival celebrated primarily in India and Nepal, and by people of South Asian origin around the world. It marks the arrival of spring and the victory of good over evil. The phrase, Happy Holi, is a greeting exchanged during the festival, wishing someone joy and positivity as they celebrate. The Holi festival is tied to several ancient stories and traditions. It's a day when social norms are relaxed, and people come together to play, laugh, and dance. Saying, Happy Holi, is part of this tradition, encouraging a spirit of camaraderie and celebration. You can use Happy Holi, much like you would say, Merry Christmas, or Happy New Year. It's a way to share joy during this festive time. You can say it when meeting someone, in a message, or when sharing images of the Holi celebration on social media. Holi takes place over 2 days, starting on the evening of the full moon that comes in Falguna, between the end of February and the middle of March. It's perfectly timed with the transition into spring. Happy Holi is used throughout this period, especially on the second day when the iconic color throwing takes place. Now that you understand what Happy Holi means, you can appreciate not just the words, but also the warmth and joy they convey. It's all about celebrating life, welcoming the spring, and enjoying a moment of togetherness. We hope you enjoyed this colorful journey into a phrase that brings smiles to millions. Until next time, Happy Holi to all of you.